Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to play Vrchat on virtual desktop. So let's start. So first now one, it's preparation. So you have to ensure your PC meets the minimum requirements for Vrchat. So you have to check it first of everything. Number two, installing the software. Install Steam on your PC. Once you have set up your Steam account, search for Install Steam VR and download the Steam Link app from the Meta Quest store on your headset or Meta app on your phone. Number three, set up Steam Link. So you have to launch the Steam Link app on your Meta Quest headset and follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with your PC. You may need to enter a code display on your headset into your PC to complete the pairing process. Now you have to connect and playing. So once you successfully pair your headset to your PC, you can use Steam Link to launch Stream VR and play Vrchat directly from Quest. So that is how you can do it, guys. As you can see, it's very easy to follow these steps. And the first option is that you have to check the requirements for your PC. Well guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.